Hi everyone, welcome back to Coco Beats! Today I'm going to be making these earrings. I saw them in Pinterest and I totally fell in love, so I couldn't resist to make a tutorial and make you fall in love too. I really hope you like them and try this at home, cause they are so beautiful and easy to make. I really think it's something nice to have and something nice to give away too, so you know, it can be a good present too. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY jewelry tutorials. Don't miss anything and switch the notification bell and you'll be notified every time I'll post new videos. And if you like these earrings, maybe you can share this video with your friends, because who knows, maybe they can fall in love with them too. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you in my next video, but until then remember to still beautiful, smile and be very happy.